Hello viewers, so are you wondering on how you can solve this maths problem? So worry not, I want us to solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, so this one is the maths problem that we have. So we have 9, then 9 to the power of 2a minus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 3a plus 3. So how do we go about this maths problem? So this one is how we go about it. So the first thing, we want to change the entire maths problem to the base of 3. As you can see, we only have one base of 3. That is 3 to the base of 3a plus 3. So let's now change the 9 to the power of 2a minus 1 to the base of 3. So in this case now, we shall now say that what brings 9? So we know that 9 now is equivalent to 3 multiplied by 3. So which can also be written as 3 to the power of 2. So meaning that 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 9. So now we shall now have 3 to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 into bracket 2a, then minus 1, then is equals to 3 to the power of 3a plus 3. So let's now work out 2 with the number that is now inside the bracket. So in that case now we shall now have 3, that is the base of 3. Then now base of 3, we now use 2 to multiply the entire number. So 2 by 2a, now shall now have 4a. So 4a minus 2 multiplied by negative 1 now becomes negative 2. So is equals to now 3 to the power of 3a plus 3. So our next step now is to, simply because here now we have the bases which are 3. So we have 3 is a base, here 3 is also a base. So let's now meet the bases and now just use the indexes, that is 4a minus 2 and also 3a plus 3. So now we shall now have 4a. So 4a minus 2 is equals to 3a plus 3. So now we are only operating with the index numbers only. So in that case now we shall now choose the a's. The a's are the known, like that is 4a and 3a, they are the known. So we put them together. So in this case now we shall now have 4a, this one is 4a here. So now 4a, when we now bring 3a on this other end, remember it is a positive 3a here. So when you cross the equal sign, it will be minus 3a is equals to, here is minus 2, when you cross the equal sign, it will come plus 2. Now we shall have 2, now plus 3. So 4a minus 3a, that is 1a. So we are not supposed to write 1a, let's just write a. So a now is equals to 2 plus 3, that is 5. So meaning that the value for a is 5. So we can still confirm it and check if it is really true. So let's now take the question that we had. So we had 9 to the power of 2a minus 1, then is equals to 3 to the power of 3a plus 3. So we have said that a is 5. So in anywhere we have a, let's multiply by 5. So here now we shall now have 9. So in this case now we shall now have 9 to the power of, so now we shall have 2 into bracket 5, then minus 1 is equals to 3, then to the power of 3 into bracket 5 plus 3. So now we shall now say that, so when you now work out this maths problem, so now we shall now have 9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So 9 to the power of 10 minus 1 is equals to, now here now shall have 3 to the power of 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 3. So when you work it out, 10 minus 1 is 9. So now we shall have 9 to the power of 9 now is equals to 3 to the power of 15 plus 3. Now we shall have something like 18. Now So in this case, we can still have to work it out by changing 9 to the base of 3. That is, now we all know that when you have 9 times 9, the result, sorry, when you have 3 times 3, the result is 9. So now we shall have 9, that is, instead of writing 9, we shall have 3 to the power of 2 into bracket 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 18. So what is 2 multiplied by 9? So 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So now we shall have 3 to the power of 18 is equals to 3 to the power of 18. So meaning that we are very correct when we now conclude that our value for A, in this case, so our value for A is equals to 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please remember to give us a subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. So always support our videos, just support our channel, and let us reach out to majority of people. Otherwise, let's stop there.